Welcome to Cam's World! Hi everyone, it's another unboxing video. So today I want to say thank you to Renee for sending me their Fitville Woman UrbanMesh walking shoes. The UrbanMesh sneakers feature a sleek and trendy design perfect for urban fashionistas and casual wear. These sneakers effortlessly complement a variety of outfits, making them a versatile choice for any occasion. The lace up front of the UrbanMesh sneakers ensures a secure and adjustable fit, allowing you to find your perfect level of comfort, whether you prefer a snug fit for workouts or a slightly looser fit for everyday wear. These sneakers have got you covered. Stand out from the crowd with the UrbanMesh sneakers' chunky sole, which not only adds a fashionable touch but also provides excellent support and cushioning. And that's it. Please do check their website. I'm going to leave the link in the description down below, as well as my discount code CAM30 for new users to get 30% off discount. Let me know in the comment if ever you've tried this brand. Let me know what do you think of it. Until next time, bye!